beauties, my name is Jan Benham and most of you know me as a cosmetic formulator and aromatherapist for the Aroma Shoppe and Purèz cosmetics. But most of you won't realise that I also have another job where I teach Pilates at a sports school near me, and I also was a holistic health practitioner for almost 40 years and a teacher for 35 years. So I have been involved in body movement and work on the body and the face for many years now. So I usually look at it now from the other end. So I've been teaching you about skincare, about makeup placement, about color therapy, how it can work and make you look better, the best version of yourself. But I want to talk about today about other things that you can do to make yourself look 10 to 15 years younger than you are. And the reason why this came about is I've been at my Pilates classes, I've been working on a lot on different aspects of how Pilates can help with aging. So my Pilates classes are very unusual. They are not just Pilates. I work with body therapy, different movements to work. So it's like a fascia Pilates. So I work the fascia a lot. We work on balls. So I'm sitting on the big ball here. In fact, I use the big ball a lot. I rarely sit in seats. And we also do a lot of bouncing on the balls. And there's a reason for this. It's not just about fitness. It's about making your body work the best it can be. So what do we do in this class? Well, first of all, we bounce. And what this does is stimulates the feet, stimulates the fascia, which stimulates the fascia throughout the whole body. So what is fascia? So fascia is like the cling films or saran wrap, depending which country you're from, that's wrapped around your body. And it's interconnected all together. So the fascia around your feet is connected to the fascia around your face. And it's in between all the muscles as well. So when one part of the fascia gets stuck or gets sticky, then it affects everything else in the body, including your face and your neck. So if you have the fascia moving and relaxed throughout your whole body, it will make you look younger because you'll be able to move your body better. So it's not about normal movements, it's about unusual movements like shaking your feet, shaking your legs, having a tantrum, doing the happy baby pose, all the things we wouldn't normally do in public. So what else does Pilates do? Well, our Pilates also works on stimulating the lymphatic system. Now, the lymphatic system is the rubbish disposal system of your body. It has its own circulation system. So you have the veins and the arteries bringing all the nutrients to your tissues throughout your body. And then you have another system called the lymphatic system that takes all the garbage out of the cells and the cells push the garbage into the lymphatic vessels, which are just underneath the surface of your skin and above your muscles. And they don't actually have valves of their own. So it can't just stimulate by itself, but it works by the muscles underneath the lymphatic vessels all over your body work by the muscles are actually the driving behind stimulating a movement of the lymphatic system. So this is not just related to Pilates, this is any exercise you might do, running, weight training, anything that you do will stimulate the lymphatic system. But Pilates specifically stimulates, because we work a lot on the feet, so that works the lower legs, stimulates the drainage, and then the body can clear itself out of the garbage. So it helps you lose weight, gets rid of puffiness in the body, gets rid of acid disposal, the acid products that build up in your joints and muscles, causing rheumatism and arthritis. And that's what we want to avoid, and if we have it, we want to improve it, get everything moving again, all the muscles. And if you have all that movement, you get less puffy, you feel better, and hence you look 10 to 15 years younger. Now, another thing what I'd like to share with you is that on our face, it shows very much when we have poor lymphatic system. So the poor lymphatic system can come from a bad diet, such as too much ultra-processed foods, too much carbohydrates, and not enough of good foods. And then it starts to show up, puffiness under the eyes, you don't get enough sleep as well, because your body's trying to clear out all this junk. You might have puffiness over here, you lose definition of your face. And because of all this puffiness and poor lymphatic drainage, the nutrients can't get into your skin to feed your tissues. So you get more wrinkles, you get more congestion, and your skin starts to look grey and sick. So we want to improve that. So yes, we can do exercise, we can improve our the nutritional angle, and you can't out-exercise a bad diet. But you can also do a little bit of massage. So let me show you something. So I have here a gadget that I keep in the fridge. Now this is one way you can help to improve the lymphatic system on your face. So help to get rid of puffiness under your eyes and just to help drain, so allowing good nutrition. And how you do this? You can just roller it over. I keep it in the fridge so it keeps cool, and you just roller it out. The lymphatic vessels are here and here. So you want to move everything out, everything up and out. Here you can go under the chin, roll it. You can go down the neck if you want. You can go up and down in this case. Now you can do that, or you can get your fingers, when you put a cream on your face, you can just do a little massage by pressing on your cheeks, and you can sometimes feel little bubbles breaking, that's congestion, and you just do that. And again on your forehead. Now just simply doing something and doing a little bit of massage, say here. Now simply just doing that on a daily basis for just 2 minutes a day can make a big difference to the skin on your face. You also feel good too. And it will also eventually make you look younger. And if you keep doing it and keep doing it, it will help to slow down the aging process. And if you can apply that and also do some form of exercises such as the Pilates, or do some other exercise, whatever floats your boat, whether swimming, and also cut out ultra-processed foods as much as is possible, it will make a big difference. And the last thing I want to address today is posture. So I'm always on to my Pilates students about this. So let me just put this down. So posture. A lot of people start to get a little older and they start to I can't even do it because I don't want to train myself to do it. But I'm sitting on a ball when I'm working on my computer, and every so often I just take a note and I put my shoulders back and down. I lengthen the back of my neck so I feel like I'm tall on my seat. So now I am very tall, and I just carry on. I make sure my computer is up to eye level, so I'm not bending over, and I'm like that. When I'm walking on a continual basis, I want to walk proud. So it might feel very uncomfortable at the beginning. You know, we're so used to trying to be hiding. We don't want to do that. We want to shoulders up, back, bust you out, lips vertrouwd, as we say in the Netherlands. So it's shoulders down. This allows this elongation here. This allows the neck to come back and allows for a nice look to the silhouette. Your tummy automatically comes in, your bust goes out slightly, and you walk forward with purpose. You'll also feel more in control as well. So that is the other thing that will help you make you look 10 to 15 years younger. So in Pilates, I'm always working on that the posture as we do the exercise, also deep breathing and breathing out, breathing in and breathing out. So that's just a couple of things. We'll talk about more another time. But if you can just start looking at your posture, and also doing every morning a little bit of just some pressure points when you're putting on a moisture cream, either morning or night. It doesn't have to be long. And the other thing is think about different movements. Oh, another idea is if you feel like you want to be goofy, put on your favorite music. Say I'm from the disco era. So I want to put on disco music. That's going to make me move. And then just by yourself in the room, just go for it. Move in any direction you want. That will get the fascia moving. So do something daily like that every day, and you will look 10 to 15 years younger. Anyway, if you have any comments, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, it's bye for now.